What's up? Welcome back. My sign name, and today we're going to be learning about if deaf people can get piercings. So, overall the answer is obviously yes, of course. But where we do run into problems, if you have a hearing aid or a cochlear implant, we can't get certain piercings. So I have a lot. I know I don't have any of them in. I have 4 here. I have an industrial, and then I have 4 here, and then 2 cartilage. The ones that I can't get because I have hearing aids is like any that are in here or one that goes right here. Obviously, there's so many different types of hearing aids. I have the really big, bulky ones. And even, like, I have to have hoops because, my hearing aids go back, and if I had, like, a little stud or a bar, my ear would go like that. So, yes, we can have piercings